Well guys, that's the 1.5 meter thing, electric power. This is the prototype one, but all we've done is bolted the motor to the existing firewall and shaped the fuselage sides and the top and bottom to enclose it a little bit. If you want to do this conversion, we can give you the recommendations. All the details of what we've used will be in the description below. Links to the kits will be in the description below. But as you can see, it flies really well on a basic 3S 2200 setup. If you're liking this sort of content, give us a thumbs up. If you're not already, consider subscribing, and we'll see you in the next one.